I'm in love with That's the first I got my G. I have to pee. Go. 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 Go, 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 go. She said, pop it, lock it, polka dot, it's so fun. You didn't even do it. Ow. I have a yoga mat. Let's see. Bam! Okay, let's do the yoga. Okay. No, you gotta scoot it down. We get off. Do it this way. Hold on. Ready? Okay, ready. Yoga. Alright, I'm gonna instruct her, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna stand up.
I don't want to stand up.
You're gonna sit down. Okay?
No, get over.
Okay.
No, stay.
Alright.
When we can be like Peyton, ready? Bring in your inner thoughts and let them out. Find your inner self. Okay, concentrate, ready?
Now you're gonna light these candles. Close your eyes. I'm gonna light these candles. You're gonna light these candles. Close your eyes.
You better not light these candles.
Who's online?
I don't know.
No,
What's
it's
that?
Tanner.
Who?
Okay, now. Ready?
Who's for the week?
Here. Alright. Now slide. Now slide. We are the perfect family. Oh, go team, go. Yeah, go. Go team. Go, go, go team. Go, go, go team. Go, go, go. Go team, go. Hey. Ice cream and cake and cake. Ice cream cake to ice cream and cake. I know how to do that. I know how to do it. Wow! I can do it. Pop it, lock it, polka dot, hypnotize, country. Yeah. No. Let's play kitchen.
Let's play kitchen.
What are we gonna do? Let's say I get on a McDonald's customer.
Pretend I'm a ghetto McDonald's customer. Okay, I'm driving up.
No, we're gonna go up there
Why?
so we can record each other. Okay. So these are 2 driver seats. Alright. Alright. Now, what we're gonna do is, alright, so she's gonna be the ghetto McDonald's customer.